Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a hidden prism technique without getting lost in the sauce. It's quick and easy placement that I'm sure is going to level up your game. What's up, friends? I'm Kelly Martin, Kelly Awesome Sauce on all socials, and welcome to 10 years of disruption with Pulp Riot. I've spent years overcomplicating creative color techniques that just didn't click. But after some serious time behind the chair, education, and Pulp Riot, I've learned how to simplify placements even your favorite princesses would envy. This is about working smarter, not harder, or as I like to say, mo money, less problems. The Beastie Boys said it best, slow and low, that is the tempo. To prep the canvas, I'm using Pulp Riot BlondeAF with 10 volume, staying a ½ inch off the root. I start at the nape and work up to the crown, bumping up my developer as I go. Once the mids and ends have lifted to my desired level, I go back in with BlondeAF and 10 volume on the base. It takes a second longer to apply, but a clean, even lift is the secret to a perfect fade later. Remember, we want to reach a level 9, and then rinse and shampoo. To keep the canvas crisp, I pre-toned with high-speed toner Lilac Chill in a 1:3 ratio. This is one of the things that I like about our high-speed toners. They're actually totally customizable. Now for the main event, the palette. For our base formula, we use 2.5 ounces clear, 0.3 ounces jam, and 0.3 ounces blush, and 1 ounce of lilac. Then for the pop of Prism, our purple is jam, our teal is 1 ounce clear and 1.5 ounces aquatic. Our green is 1 ounce clear and 1 ounce of acid spill. Our dark purple is velvet. I want to simplify this for you. We start by breaking this down into 3 zones to keep it seamless. Zone 1 and 3 is where we are going to be applying our base formula. Zone 2 is an inch section in between zone 1 and 3. This is where the magic happens. We're going to be over-directing our prism colors forward in 1/4 inch subsections to ensure total saturation. Here, we start with her base formulas as our first color, then we map out our prism. Pro tip, as we move through our subsections, we're going to alternate the root color to maintain the pattern of our prism. Process for 25 to 40 minutes, no heat, rinse with high pressure cold water, do not shampoo, but definitely condition if you need to. Check out these results. By breaking this down into 3 simple zones, we saved time and created a massive impact. Remember, sometimes less is more when it comes to placement. I hope this inspires you to try a prism zone behind the chair. When you do, make sure to tag Pulp Riot Hair and myself, Kelly Awesome Sauce. Stay tuned for more 10 years of disruptions videos. Now, smash that like and subscribe button for more techniques from your favorite artists. TTFN besties, see you next time.